Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you everything we did in our trip to Iguacu. We went to the Brazilian side, the Argentina side, and of course also to the park with all the birds. It was really amazing. Welcome to our room in Foz do Iguacu. Hello! And here's the bathroom. Oh, it's dark. We're here between all the three countries, Argentina, Paraguay, and here Brazil. There's a waterfall outside. It's raining so bad. Everybody's inside. We went to the Brazilian side first, which was really cool because you can see the panoramic views from the waterfalls. If you don't have a lot of time, we recommend that you go to the Brazilian side only. It's easy to go there by bus and you can read about it on my blog. There are some people walking. That's the Argentina side. Hopefully we're gonna make it there tomorrow. And that's the little boat that we're gonna go on. Very close to the waterfalls. We're gonna get while we are going under the waterfall. Wow! Muito legal! Monkeys! Where are you going? The Argentina side is also very easy to travel to with the bus, and we love the setup of the park here. Unfortunately, we were not able to do the trail to the Devil's Throat because there was too much rain before we came and the walkway was underwater. Yesterday we were there with our little boats, getting all wet. And here we are in the room in Argentina. Nice! And we have a nice view. Ooh. Jacaré e tartarugas. Are you sleeping? The lovebirds. Morpho. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's easy, it's quick, and it's free, and it really does help. See you next time. Ciao, ciao!